Learning Unit Number 1, an overview. Within each of the learning units, you will see the Learning Unit Overview as the first document listed. Please always view this as you begin each unit. The Learning Unit Overviews will include a video in which the unit's theme is presented and a brief preview of each story is provided, the unit's learning objectives, and a reminder of the unit's key readings and assignments. However, you must refer to the syllabus for specific due dates for these readings and assignments. The theme connecting the stories in Learning Unit Number 1 is finding oneself. Each of these stories deals with individuals in the search to better understand themselves, to find a sense of identity, or to experience a personal awakening. In analyzing these stories, it will be useful to look for what ideas these stories are conveying about the search for identity. In addition, we will seek to uncover the potential commentary these stories may be making about society. The Kugelmass episode was written by Woody Allen in 1978. The story deals with a professor who is unhappy in his marriage. It includes allusions to other works of literature, such as Madame Bovary and Portnoy's Complaint. Our discussion will focus on the character's mindset, as well as on Allen's use of humor and irony. Paul's Case was written in 1906 by Willa Cather. This story examines a young man's disillusionment with middle-class life and his journey to find more fulfilling experiences. Our analysis will focus on what ideas this story is conveying about economic class and possibly sexual orientation in terms of the crafting of individual identity. We will also discuss the broader ideas this story is conveying about the search for personal happiness. The Lone Ranger and Tonto Fistfight in Heaven was written in 1993 by Sherman Alexie. The story discusses the experience of a Native American man who feels trapped by the conflicting pressures of two cultures. Our analysis will focus on how expectations about cultural heritage influence an individual's sense of self. Battle Royale was written in 1952 by Ralph Ellison. This story was included as a chapter within Ellison's book, The Invisible Man. The story deals with a young African-American man's struggle amidst a society in which segregation and inequality persist. Our analysis will look at, among other things, how perceptions of race can influence one's own sense of self.